Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is linked list in Java. So let us discuss first what we are going to cover in our today's topic. So first of all we will see what is linked list in Java. Then the various operation can perform in linked list. Then after that we can see some examples of adding element, changing element, remove element. So let us start with what is linked list in Java. So basically linked list in Java is a part of collection framework is a part of collection framework. Basically linked list is present in Java util package. This class is an implementation of linked list, part of linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure where where the the ele- where the elements are not stored in a contiguous location, and is every element is a separate object with a data and with a data part and the address part. The element the element are linked using pointers. The element are linked using pointers and addresses. Such element is known as node. Due to the dynamicity and easy to insertion and details, they are performed over the array list. It also have it also have few disadvantages, like the node cannot be accessed directly. Instead we need to start from the head and follow through the link to React node we wish to access. Now let us move on various operation can perform in linked list. So the first one is adding element. In order to add the element to an array list to an array list we basically use the add method. This method is overloaded to perform most operations most operation based on different parameters, like add object or add int index and object. Now the second one is changing element. So basically if we want to uh, so basically after adding the element, if if we want to change the element, we it can be done by using set method. So to change the element at specific specific position, at that time we use set method. The next method is remove method. if we if we want to remove any element from an linked list, then we can use remove method. The remove method is overloaded to perform to perform multiple operations based on different parameters, such as remove object or remove int index. Means if we use remove object, then it will remove whole the object, and if we use remove int index, then it will remove the specific index which we give in that method. So this is remove method. The next one is iterating the linked list. So basically there are there are multiple ways to iterate to the linked list, but basically most commonly used method is by using for loop in combination to get method to get element as at a specific index, and the advanced for loop. So this is all about linked list and some methods used in linked list in Java. Thank you.